Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to allow TikTok access to photos. So you may have a problem that you already allowed TikTok access to your photos, but it still doesn't work. So TikTok still doesn't have access to your photos or videos, and you cannot upload anything because of that. So I'm gonna show you some steps that may help you solve this problem. First thing you can try is to go to your settings, scroll down to screen time, click on content and privacy restrictions, and you can either turn this whole thing off, or if you don't want to turn the whole thing off, you just need to go to the photos and just search for TikTok and put it to all photos. The second thing you can try is to go to your settings again, then go to privacy and security, then go to the photos. Then here you need to scroll down to TikTok and choose all photos. The next thing you can try is to go to your settings again, go to general, scroll down to the bottom, click transfer or reset iPhone, and here you're gonna click reset. You don't have to be afraid, it's not gonna reset your iPhone yet. We're just gonna reset the settings. So you click reset and click reset all settings. Then you will need to give your passcode and just click reset all settings, and then your settings will be reset, and you can also do the steps we did before and hope that it solved your problem. Last thing I recommend you to try, if none of these steps worked, is to just delete TikTok. But in this case you need to be aware that if you delete the application, all of your drafts will be lost. So first you need to download your drafts one by one, because there's no such option within TikTok which can help you download all of them once. So you just download them one by one and then you will have them, because if you delete TikTok, it's gonna be all lost if you don't save them. Alright, so all in all, this is how to allow TikTok access to photos. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.